In the world of renting, pets can be a divisive topic. Landlords often face the choice of allowing pets or implementing a strict no-pet policy. Landlords should research and create a comprehensive pet policy to navigate this challenge. A pet policy outlines pet owners' rules and expectations and permits specific pets or prohibits them altogether. It's essential to include this policy in your lease agreement to avoid potential conflicts and misunderstandings. Allowing pets can expand your pool of potential tenants, increase rental income, and encourage longer tenancies. However, it also brings the risk of property damage, noise complaints, and liability issues. Ensure your pet policy complies with fair housing laws and consider the legal distinctions between service animals, emotional support animals, or ESAs, and pets. Did you know that only dogs and miniature horses can be service animals? Encourage pet owners to be responsible, follow local laws, and consider requiring renter's insurance. Remember, a well-structured pet policy will bring peace of mind to everyone. Do you have any experiences, good or bad, with renting to tenants with pets? Share your stories in the comments below.